Welcome to this walkthrough of Android UI and UX design. In this video, we're going to explore how to create clean, responsive layouts using Material 3 components in Flexbox. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to level up your design game, this guide will help you build better-looking, user-friendly apps, fast and easy. Let's get started. So, why are we using Flexbox? Well, FlexboxLayout from Google lets us create a flexible, wrap-friendly layout, perfect for things like genre selectors or tag buttons. It automatically adjusts and wraps the buttons, keeping everything neat and responsive, even on smaller screens. No clipping, no overflow, just smooth alignment and a clean look every time. First, add FlexboxLayout to your app-level Gradle file. Just use this line implementation. Google, Android, Flexbox, Flexbox 3, 0-inch. This helps your buttons wrap and align nicely, even on small screens. Let's break down the Flexbox layout setup. First, we set layout_width to match_parent, so it stretches across the full screen. Next, layout_height is set to wrap_content, letting it grow based on the content inside. We add padding of 15 dp to give space around the buttons. Then we enable FlexWrap, so buttons can automatically move to the next line if space runs out. Finally, we set justifyContent to center, aligning all buttons neatly in the middle. FlexWrap controls how items wrap in a layout now wrap. 0 all items stay on a single line. No wrapping occurs, even if space is tight. Wrap 1 items automatically wrap to the next line when there's not enough horizontal space. Wrap_reverse, too similar to wrap, but the wrapped items appear in reverse order. justifyContent controls horizontal alignment of items. Flex_start. 0 aligns all items to the start of the main axis. Flex_end. 1 aligns items to the end of the main axis. Center 2 centers all items along the main axis. Space_between 3 distributes items with even spacing between them. The first and last items stick to the edges. Space_around 4 gives each item equal space around it, including on the outer sides. Space_evenly 5 applies equal spacing between all items and the layout edges. Join us as we explore how to use justifyContent in Flexbox layouts. We'll learn how to align items horizontally within your layout to create a smooth and organized user interface. Let's work together to build designs that provide consistent spacing and structure, ensuring a seamless experience across all screen sizes.